Welcome back to TechTube. I hope you guys are alright. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix if your app issues are going on in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your Crunchyroll app is also having issues, there might be so many reasons for the problem in your Crunchyroll application. The first one is internet connection problem. If you're having any problems with your internet, first of all, try fixing that if your internet is working properly or not. And now if your internet is working properly and still your Crunchyroll is having issues, then your app might be outdated. In order to check, just simply go to the Play Store and search Crunchyroll. If it shows update in this place of open icon, you just simply have to update your Crunchyroll application and the issues will be gone. And the third but very common possibility is that Crunchyroll servers are crashed and that's why it's not working. In order to check, just simply go to the browser and open this downdetector.com site and then into here search for Crunchyroll. And after that, it will show if Crunchyroll server have any problems at the current time or not. And if the problem is related to server, then you just simply have to wait for the officials of Crunchyroll to solve the server issues, and then the Crunchyroll application will start working again. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.